Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make broth vegful guide. Start by gathering vegetables, scraps, and aromatics, then chop uniformly for even extraction. Cover with cold water and slowly bring to a gentle simmer to draw flavor without clouding. Skim foam and maintain low heat for hours if desired. Strain carefully, cool quickly, and store in the fridge or freeze in portions for easy use. Choose a mix of roots, aromatics, and umami-rich ingredients to build a layered vegetable broth. Carrots and onions give sweetness, celery adds depth, and mushrooms or tomatoes bring savory complexity. Add hearty herbs like thyme and bay leaves, and reserve delicate herbs for the end. Avoid strong brassicas that can make the broth bitter. Taste periodically and extend simmering time for a more concentrated result. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful cooking content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, recipe help, and a lively kitchen soundtrack. It's small, affordable, and perfect for multitasking while you simmer broth. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Control time and temperature to shape your broth's character and clarity. Begin with cold water, bring to barely bubbling, and skim the surface to remove impurities. Simmer for 1 to 4 hours, less for light broth, more for concentrated stock. Finish by straining through a fine sieve or cheesecloth and pressing gently to extract liquid. Cool rapidly to preserve freshness, then portion and label before refrigerating or freezing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.